Hi there. In this video, I'll show you how to easily integrate Google Drive, N8N, and Clipboard Genie to automate your workflow and save time. Before we start setting it up, let's see it in action. Here's a folder on my Google Drive. Let's say it's the one where my teammates drop their files. I'll upload a new random file, and just a few seconds later, a notification pops up in Clipboard Genie showing the file name and a link. With one click, I can open it in my browser or share it with someone else. Everything happens automatically. No manual copy-pasting, no extra steps. I'm running this demo locally, but you can follow the same steps in your own self-hosted N8N instance. If you're using N8N Cloud, you can skip straight to the next step. Clipboard Genie is already available there. All right, let's start by logging into the N8N dashboard. Go to Settings, Community Nodes. Here, enter the name of our package, N8N Nodes Clipboard Genie, and click Install. I've already done this, so let's move on to configuring our workflow. Click Create Workflow and give it a name if you wish. Click Add First Step and choose Google Drive as the trigger. Select on changes involving a specific folder. And here's an important note before we continue. If you're using N8N Cloud, things are super simple. Just sign in with your Google account when prompted. Everything is already pre-configured for you, so there's no need to set up any credentials manually. But if you're running N8N locally or self-hosted, you'll need to create your own credentials in Google Cloud. That means generating a client ID and a client secret. Make sure you set the correct redirect URI for your N8N instance, and if Google asks, don't forget to add your account as a test user. Okay, now let's configure the trigger. Select the folder in Google Drive that you want to monitor. Choose the Create Files event. Now click Fetch Test Event to make sure everything is working correctly. Just make sure you have at least one test file in your Google Drive folder so the trigger can detect it. Once it's confirmed, we can move on to adding our action. Now let's add the Clipboard Genie node. Search for it and select Create Text Item. First, you'll need to connect your Clipboard Genie account. Choose Create New Credentials. This will require an access token. To get it, go to Settings, Extensions in Clipboard Genie, and click on the N8N option. Click Generate API key. Copy it and paste it here. Then save your settings. Now we can configure the remaining options. First, set your pinboard name. In the Text to Send field, enter this phrase. This will generate a direct link to the file. Next, provide the path to your folder in Google Drive. Set the notification title to New File Uploaded. And in the notification message field, type something like, You have new files, followed by this command, which will display the names of your files. Finally, click Execute Step. If everything is configured correctly, you should receive your first test notification. Don't forget to save your node, and that's it. Your integration is ready to use. Good luck.